a video script on how to make money online. Boom. Yes, as you can see, this AI is just generating how to make money online within short possible time. This AI is generating all the ideas that you can use in doing your video. Let me let it explain what is ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? What is ChatGPT? Okay, and look at that. This AI is explaining the meaning of ChatGPT. So let me read for you. It says that I am ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. I am designed to respond to text-based queries and generate human-like response using a combination of natural language processing and machine learning algorithm. My purpose is to assist users in various tasks such as answering questions, providing information, or engaging in conversation on a wide range of topics. I am trained as a vast corpus of text data, including books, articles, and websites. So as you can see, this is a very interesting AI that you need to use. So without wasting much, I'm going to introduce to you how you can use this ChatGPT. Use this AI in order to help you. Just have to go to chat.openai.com. Okay, now after that you see this one. Now welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So if you don't have an account, you just hit on sign up. You just have to sign up first. Okay, so you just hit on sign up to fill your particulars. So you just have to add your email address here. Okay, now you can sign up with your email address, and then after you fill this information with your email address, or you can sign up with what Google. Okay, now after that you just have to verify your email address and then the phone that you are using. Now when you are done with that, you can just come and start with a new chat by typing chat gpt.openai new chat, and this is what you are going to see. So after you or create your account, this is what you are going to see. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can find. As example, chat gpt, this is what it can do for you. Explain quantum computing in terms. Got any creative ideas for 10 years old birthday. So you can try all these capabilities, what it can do, limitation, what it cannot do. There are certain things that it cannot do. Say patient generate incorrect information, my occupation produce harmful instruction or biased content, and then limited knowledge of world and event after 2021. So these are some of the things that this AI cannot do. So after that, this AI can do a lot of things. Now let's try to say something about this one. So let this AI write something for you. Even if you're a content creator and then you want to write this AI to write you a script of your video, this AI can help you to write a script of your video. So you can use this to learn. So student, maybe if you have a homework exercise that you don't understand, you can just come to this AI and it will help you to get it everything correctly. So let me try. Let me see what is a computer. Okay, let me type this one for this AI to give us the meaning of a computer. Then you just send, and as you can see, this AI is giving us the definition, everything about what computer. So this is very good. If you're a student, you can start using this one and it will help you a lot. So after that, just go to the dot line at the left side. You see that all the conversation that you have with this AI is here. Okay, all what you have asked it to answer for you are all here. So this is how you can use this AI to make things easy